Hi, I'm Roamy. Today I'm going to show you how to use the BabyBjörn Mini Carrier to carry a baby facing outwards. So I'm going to start with the harness piece, which I'm going to put on over my shoulders like this. I'm then going to get the main body of the carrier, so this piece here. What you do is have the inside facing in towards you, and the piece that says right, you clip into the right, and the piece that says left goes into the left. Tighten it up to make sure it's sitting nice and snug on your body. And I've got this just longer than the minimum height for the carrier. Obviously it depends on the size of your baby as to how high you'll need it to be. I'm now going to pick up my baby. Now, when carrying facing outwards, manufacturers state that baby needs to have full head control and be at least 4 months old to ensure they've got clear airways. You must always turn baby to face inwards for sleep as well. So, to carry them facing outwards, you're going to support them facing out, and ideally you want them to have be in a sort of seated position like this rather than hanging straight down. This will be more comfortable for them and also provide a more ergonomic position. So support them in this position and then bring the fabric up so you're holding them with the material. Okay, keep one arm round them. I'm going to bring the little arm over the top, and then this piece here, the blue piece, I'm going to just clip down into there until it goes click. Do exactly the same the other side with the red piece. So bring this up and down into there until it goes click. This piece across here we're going to keep folded down, and babies would generally like to have their arms out over the top when facing outwards. Obviously completely up to you and baby which you prefer, but I'm going to keep baby's arms over the top. So arms over the top, I'm going to take this piece here and clip it in like that, and the same with the other side. Like that. So check the top edge of the carrier is no higher than baby's chin, and you want to make sure that the top edge is no lower than their armpits to ensure they're held nice and securely. So you also want to check they're held nice and securely. So if you rest your hand on their head and gently lean forwards, their body shouldn't pull away from you. If it does pull away at all, just tighten up this little piece here, which will tighten up that top edge to hold baby really nice and snug. Position wise, you ideally want the fabric to be supporting baby with their bottom lower than or level with their knees, and with their legs coming slightly forwards. If they are hanging quite straight, just take hold of their thighs and give a little tilt to bring them into a more seated position. That's essentially it for using the BabyBjörn Mini facing outwards. To take them out of it, you're going to reverse what you've done. So unclip one side, like this, and unclip the other side. And then you're going to push the back of this with your thumb and just lift it up and over, and do exactly the same with the other side. And then you can take baby out. And that's how to use the BabyBjörn Mini Carrier to carry a baby facing outwards.